Welcome to Tyson Cut and Sew Garment Factory in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. And now we would like to present with you our ability in embellishment on garment. Please take a look at these photos. Tyson can make any kinds of embellishment, including screen print, rhinestones, embroidery, on-over print, and tie-dye. For print, we have water, rubber, plastisson, discharge, foil print, pulp print, flock print, high density, holographic, reflective, sublimation. Depending on buyer's artwork or requirement of fabric, we can offer suitable printing technique, printing quality in order to make the garment more fashionable, impressive, and have good price. If you have any questions or inquiries regarding these embellishment garments, please email us at our address kiki@lxc.vn. Thanks for your listening.